Hello everyone. In this video we are gonna use one advanced feature of Excel called name range. Generally, when we do the calculation, we take the reference of the cells. For example, I have data of orders. Here I need to calculate the tax over here. Generally, what we do, we mention the tax over here, or we can take the reference of the cell. Like tax rate is given in J1 cell, so we can take the reference and then we do the calculation. But we can also give the name to J1 and we can do the calculation. So let's get started this advanced option. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like the video and do comment your opinion about this video. So let's get started. So generally what we do, we start the formula by using equal sign. We take the reference of sales and then the quantity, and then we can type the tax rate, or we can take the reference like this and we can make it constant because I need to calculate for remaining rows as well. So just press F4 from the keyboard. It will constant the J1. So whenever I drag this formula to the below side, the reference of sales and the quantity will be changed or increased automatically row by row. But if I select any other cell, press F2, so we can see the references. So J1 is constant, it means it is not yet changed. But I want to use name range, so I'm gonna delete these, select the J1, and here we can define the name of any cell or the cell range. But our task is to give the name to the tax rate. So I'm gonna select J1 and then I will type tax rate, and here you cannot define any space in the name. So if required you can use underscore, but I'm gonna use tax rate. Press enter. Now the tax rate name has been given to the J1. So in this workbook I can use tax rate as a reference of this cell. So let's get started to calculate the tax once again by typing equal sign. Now I will give the reference of sales and then quantity, and then instead of giving the reference I will start typing tax rate, and you can see tax rate named range has been coming. If you do not remember, just go back and come to the formula, and here come to the defined range, click on use in formulas. So all named range defined will come over here and you can use it if you do not remember the name. So now control plus enter and double click, or you can drag this by that, and you got the desired result. In anywhere in this workbook you can use the tax rate instead of giving the reference. The benefit of using this, it will increase the productivity, increase the efficiency and the speed of your work. I hope you like this trick. If you have any question related to the named range, I'll try my best to give the answer as soon as possible. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please come back again. Thank you once again.